Hello students, good morning. I hope you all are safe at your homes and enjoying with your parents, family members, brothers, sisters, everyone. So I hope you all are doing all the questions given by your teachers regularly. Students, enjoy being with your family and try to learn as more as you can. So today I'm going to explain you Unit 4. I hope you will like the concept. It is very easy for you. So let's get started. Good luck, stay safe, and most importantly, be happy. Let's get started. Hello everyone. Students, today I'm going to explain you Unit 4, that is addition. Students, you have already done addition in your class 3, class 2 and class 1 as well. So this is not a new topic for you all. But always there are transformation when we are going from lower class to higher classes. So in this chapter also you will learn different concepts related to additions. So without wasting our time, let's start Unit 4, addition. So first point is the sum of numbers in any order is the same. You know how to add, but let us add 341, 113 and 100 in three different orders, and let's find out whether the sum of those numbers in any of the order is the same. Okay, so let's start. I have a three digits three numbers, so let's add them. I'm adding 341, 113 and 100 in one go. Okay, so let's add them. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So our answer is 554. Now let's change the order. Now first of all I am writing 113, then I am writing 100, and then I am writing the first number 341. So let's check whether the answer is same or not. 3 plus 0 is 3 only, as you know that if we add any of the number with 0 you will get the same result. Plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 0 is 1 only, plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5. So you can see that you get the same result. So this ensures that this concept is very true. So what is the concept? The sum of numbers in any order is the same. Whatever the order is, the answer will remain as it is in all the cases. Now you also know what happens when 0 is added to a number. So what it is? Whenever we add 0 to a number or a number to a 0, the result will be same numbers. Okay, whenever we are adding 0 to any of the number, the result will be same as it is the number only. Like if I am adding 10 plus 0, so what will be my answer? It will be 10 only. Okay, if I am adding 523 with 0, so what will be my answer? It will be 523 only. So the same number is our result in all the cases. Okay, now we have our exercise 4a, which has different types of question. The first type of question is written to you, addition, in which the sums are already given in columns. So let's start. Then in this question, ones digit may we have 9 and 0, so we will add them first, because always we start with the ones digit while adding any number or subtracting any number. Okay, so 9 plus 0 is 9 only, 5 plus 2 is 7, 6 plus 3 is again 9, 7 plus 1 is 8, 4 plus 5 9, 3 plus 6 is 9. Okay, now next question. Now in this question what we have a 5 digit number and a 4 digit number. So how should we add them? Just same, start with ones digit. 5 plus 4 is 9, 0 plus 8 is 8, 7 plus 2 9,
6 plus 3 is again 9, and 9 के साथ nothing is there, so you can consider it at 0, and it is also 9. Is it clear? Now second type of question is in the form of fill in. Don't worry about it because they are the simplest question in this exercise. So what it is, you don't have to do anything. What you have to do is equals to sign is there. आपको all the numbers को equal रखना है, left hand side equals to k और right hand side equals to k. You are having 39,127 plus 14,698. Now on the other end you have only this number. So which number is missing? Obviously this number is missing. So just without thinking write down this number and you will get your answer correct. Okay, now second question you all can think in the same manner. 15,638 plus dash, but on the right hand side of equals to what you have, 10,290 with 15,638. So what is missing on the left hand side? 10,219. So without doing any further calculation you all can write this number, right? In the same manner you can do all the exercise questions which are given in your exercise. Now next question we have arrange in columns and add. तो arrange कैसे करते हैं columns में? First of all write the first number, that is 34217. Okay, now you have to write this number, but it is a 5-digit number and this is 4-digit number. So what should you do? Start writing from the end. 1 digit after digit should be there, 8, 6 and 5, or wherever there is nothing, what should you do? Just write 0. Okay, and add them. Now what will be the answer? 7 plus 1 is 8, 1 plus 8 is 9, 2 plus 6 8, 4 plus 5 9, and then 3 plus 0 is 3, and you will get your answer. Second type of question is that are written in the words. So 2310, comma is given to you. So first of all write this number. I have already written ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. You also have to write this whenever you are doing a sum which consists of the question in the form of words. So 2000 will 1000 के नीचे I will write 2. 300 and 10, so 10 will be written like this. Okay, now comma है, so that means second digit should be there. 24,000, यानी 1000 block में I have to write 24, तो 24,400, 100 के नीचे 4 लिखा, and 2, तो and 2 means ones में 2 आएगा और rest place पे 0. comma है, that means different digit I have to take. 245, तो 245. Now you will see कि different digits हैं हमारी और हमें इसको ऐड करना है. तो जहाँ पे digits नहीं है वहाँ 0 लगा दो and add them. 2 plus 5 is 7, 1 plus 4 is 5, 3 plus 4 7, 7 8 9, 2 plus 4 is 6 and 2, and you will get your answer. Is it clear? Now next type of questions is add 8, 12, 230 and 1475 in 3 different orders to get the same sum. So I will be using 3 different orders so that it verifies our statement of that if we are adding any of the numbers in different orders, the result will be same. So let's start. So first of all I am writing 8 and then I have to write 12, so 2 and 1. Then I have to write 230. So first of all I will write the ones digit, then tens digit, and then hundreds digit. Now I will write next number 5, 7, 4 and 1. Okay, now I will add these numbers. So what you have to do is first of all add all the ones place numbers. 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 0, 0 plus 5 15, 15 is there, so 1 should get here. Okay, now it is 0. 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 7 12, 12 का 2 and 1 carry here. एज आई टोल्ड यू, जहाँ डिजिट नहीं होती है राइट डाउन जीरोज देयर. ओके, तो 1 + 2 3, 3 + 4 is 7, and here it is only 1. You will get your answer. Now just we have to change the order, so I am reversing it. First of all, I am writing 1475, then reversing the order, I am writing another number, and then 12, and then 8. Okay, we have to add these numbers now. So 5 + 2 is 7, 7 + 8 is 15, 5 कैरी हुआ 1, 1 + 7 8, 8 और 3 11, 11 और 1 12, so 2 and 1 carry. 1 + 4 5, 5 6 7 and 1, so we will get same result, but because we have to use 3 different orders, so again I will do the sum. So first of all I am writing 1475, then I am writing 12 here, then I am writing 230, then I am writing 8. Okay, so जितनी भी vacant places हैं I am filling those vacant places with zeros. Okay, 5 + 2 7, 7 + 8 again 15 होता है, 1 कैरी किया, 7 और 1 8, 8 और 1 9, 9 और 3 12 का 2 कैरी 1, 4 or 1 5 6 7 and again 1. So now you can see that all the answers are same, which satisfy the statement of different orders getting the same sum. Okay, now different type of question in this exercise we have, and that is find the sum. You have to find the sum. So how would you find it? Let's start. 24,412. Directly write the numbers in a column. 2 3 4 1 2, and then next number to obviously start with ones place. Next number starting with the ones place and add the numbers. 2 + 0 + 0 will be 2 only. 1 + 5 6, 4 + 2 6, 3 + 1 4, 4 + 5 9, 2 + 4 6, 6 + 1 7, and you will get your result. Exercise 4B. Fill in the missing digits. These are some problems, some new type of problems which you have not heard earlier. So let's start doing it. First problem is you have to fill the missing digits here. We have dash in our question, we have to fill it. So how to do it? Let's begin. 4 plus what? So that our answer is 7. 4 में मैं क्या प्लस करूँ so that my answer will be 7. तो I think 4 + 3 is 7. तो I will write 3 here. Now 3 + 8 किया तो कितना आता है? देखो 3 + 8 is what? 11. अब क्योंकि मुझे यहाँ पे सिर्फ 1 डिजिट लिखनी है तो मैं उसका लास्ट डिजिट यहाँ लिखूँगी and the next digit will go on to the carry. Okay. Now 5 और 1 6, because I have to count it also. 6 में मैं क्या ऐड करूँ so that I get 8 2. Clear? Now next is 7 + 2. तो 7 + 2 is what? 9. Now 5 में मैं क्या प्लस करूँ so that I get 7 2. 5 और 2 7. Now this is your answer. 4 + 3 7, 3 + 8 11 का 1 carry 1, 1 और 2 3, 3 + 5 8, 7 + 2 9 and 5 + 2 7, and you will get your answer. Now B part, same. 9 + 8, what it is? It is 17. 7 और carry हुआ 1. 7 और 1 8. अब 8 में क्या ऐड किया जाए कि 8 ही आए? 0. ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज अगर आपके पास 8 है और आपको रिजल्ट में 8 ही चाहिए तो यू विल ऐड 0 है. क्लियर? नाउ 5 में हम क्या ऐड करें कि आपका 1 आए? तो देखो 5 में मैं क्या चीज़ ऐड करूं कि 1 आए? अब 1 तो तभी आ सकता है जब वो नंबर 2 डिजिट हो, यानी 11 हो. ओके, तो 5 में मैं क्या ऐड करूं कि 11 आए? 6. तो आई विल राइट 6 हियर. 6 और 5 11 का 1 कैरी हुआ 1 हियर. ओके, 9 और 1 10. 10 में क्या प्लस करूं कि 2 आए, यानी यूनिट प्लेस पे 2 आए. 10 में मैं क्या प्लस करूँ कि यूनिट प्लेस पे 2 आए। 2, तो 10 में 2 प्लस किया 12 हुआ, तो मैंने 2 प्लस किया 12 का 2, कैरी हुआ 1, 4 और 1 5, 5 और 3 8, and you will get your answer. Is it clear? Now next type of questions we just have to simply add them. So how to write them? First of all, write the first number, and then second number we will start writing with the ones place. So 3, 2, 6 and 5. हम लास्ट से शुरू करते हैं so that कोई भी प्रॉब्लम ना हो वंस टेंस की. यहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं 9, 4, 7, 9, 7 and then 4, 0, 6. उसके बाद उसको ऐड करना है. आई हैव टोल्ड यू कि जो भी वैकेंट प्लेसेस होती हैं उसमें हम ज़ीरोस पुट कर देते हैं. 8 और 3 11, 11 और 9 20, तो 0 कैरी हुआ 2. 5 6 7, 7 8 9, 9 और 7 इज़ 16, तो कैरी हुआ 1. 6 और 1 7, 7 और 4 11 का 1 कैरी हुआ 1. अब 5 और 1 6 and 6 here. Is it clear? Now this type of question also comes to you having commas and and with it. What you have to do, you just have to simply write the number and the next number from ones place and the next number and then add them, okay, with putting zeros. 8 plus 3 11 का 1 कैरी हुआ 1. 6 plus 1 7, 7 4 11, 11 और 3 14 का 4 कैरी हुआ 1. 8 8 और 5 13, 13 और 6 19 का 9 कैरी हुआ 1. 2 और 1 3, 3 और 3 6 and then 5. You will get your result. Exercise 4C. In this exercise we have word sums. So word sums will tell us that how we are using addition in our day-to-day activities or day-to-day life. So there is a question for you. 48,730 boys and 45,285 girls took an exam. There is an exam held in a school और उसमें इतना students and this much of girls took participate or took an exam. We have to find out how many children took the exam. So how many of them took the exam or give the exam? So what should we have to do is we have to add both the number of girls and number of boys. So what you have to do is you have to first write the statement number of girls. How many girls are there? 45,285. You can write number of boys also. Number of boys, that is 48,730. Now to find out the total number of students, what we have to do, we have to add both the numbers. Okay, no problem is there if you are writing number of girls first or number of boys first, that is not a problem. 5 plus 0 is what? 5. 8 plus 3 11 का 1 कैरी हुआ 1. अब 2 और 1 3, 3 और 7 10 कैरी हुआ 1. 5 और 1 6, 6 और 8 14 कैरी हुआ 1. 4 और 1 5 और 4 9. That means how many children took the exam? So you will write 94,015 children took the exam. Is it clear? Now next question is, what number is 15,220 more than 50,780? What is a number? So what you have to do is you have to find the number. तो जो हमें कहा है we will write it. Number is मतलब equals to what? 15,220. More than का मतलब होता है plus 50,780. That means आपको एक ऐसा नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है जो कि 15,220 ज़्यादा है 50,780 से. तो what we will do, we will add the numbers. You can write any of the number on the first place and other on the right place, second place. 0 plus 0 is 0 only. 8 plus 2 is 10, 0 carry हुआ 1. Again we have 7 or 1 8 or 2 10, 0 carry हुआ 1. 1 and 5 6 and another is 6. So what is the required number? So the required, yani the number which is needed in the question is 66,000. Is it clear? Now next we have, when 47,526 is subtracted from a number, यानी whenever I am subtracting this from any of the number we get this, यानी हमें result ये मिलता है. अब as you always know, from a number यानी number, जो चीज़ from के बाद होती है we will write that first. तो number में से हमें क्या subtract करना है? We have to subtract 47,526. So the answer is, we get what? Our answer is 68,195. So we get 68,195 as our answer. Now we have to find the number only. Okay, तो what it will be? एक और कंडीशन होती है that I will tell you कि अगर equals to के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में कोई एप्लीकेशन या कोई भी नंबर नेगेटिव ऑपरेशन का होता है, तो इक्वल्स टू के राइट हैंड साइड में जब हम उसको लेके जाते हैं तो वो एडिशन का हो जाता है, यानी साइन उसका चेंज हो जाता है. तो इक्वल्स टू के इधर ऑलरेडी हमारे पास 68,195 लिखा है, उसको एज इट इज़ लिखेंगे. और ये वाला जो नंबर इधर नेगेटिव में था वी विल ऐड इट विद द अदर नंबर ऑन द अदर साइड. ओके, अगर इन केस यहाँ पे डिवाइड में होता ये तो इक्वल्स टू के उधर जाके मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता, अगर मल्टीप्लाई में होता तो डिवाइड हो जाता, यानी हमेशा माइनस वाला प्लस हो जाता है, प्लस वाला माइनस हो जाता है. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ आई हैव टू ऐड दीज नंबर्स 68,195 एंड 47,526. लेट्स ऐड देम. 6 + 5 इज़ 11 का 1 कैरी हुआ 1. अब 9 और 1 10, 10 + 2 12 का 2 कैरी हुआ 1, 1 और 1 2, 2 + 5 7, 8 + 7 इज़ 15 का 5 कैरी हुआ 1, 1 + 6 7, 7 + 4 11. तो व्हाट इज़ द रिक्वायर्ड नंबर, यानी फाइंड द नंबर. क्वेश्चन था ना फाइंड द नंबर, तो व्हाट द रिक्वायर्ड नंबर? द नंबर इज़, और यू कैन से द नंबर इज़ 11 5 7 2 1. अब इसमें कॉमास लगाते हैं इंडियन सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग, 3 डिजिट से पहले और उसके बाद 2 डिजिट से पहले. तो नंबर इज़ 1,15,721. इट इज़ 5. Is it clear to everyone? Next question. A Mayur car cost rupees 5,56,750. A Hans car cost rupees 2,80,500 more than a Mayur car. This is just similar to the second question we have done. How much does a Hans car cost? You have to find the cost of Hans car. हमें मयूर के कार की कॉस्ट दी हुई है, हमें हंस के कार की कॉस्ट दी है 2,80,500 मोर देन मयूर्स कार, यानी जो हंस कार की कॉस्ट है वो मयूर कार से 2,80,500 ज़्यादा है. तो हंस कार की कॉस्ट कितनी होगी? हंस के कार की कॉस्ट होगी इन दोनों का एडिशन. तो व्हाट शुड आई डू? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल राइट कॉस्ट ऑफ Mayur's car, which is rupees 5,56,750. Next is cost of Hans car, जो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. दैट विल बी रुपीज़ 2,80,500 मोर देन मीन्स प्लस मयूर्स कार कॉस्ट. अब मयूर्स के कार की कॉस्ट कितनी है? 5,56,750. तो नाउ यू विल ऐड बोथ द टर्म्स. 2,80,500, 5,56,750. Add both of them. 0 0 0 और 5 5. 5 + 7 12, 1 carry. 1 + 6 is 7. 8 + 5 13 का 3 कैरी हुआ 1. 1 + 2 3, 3 + 5 8. तो दैट मीन्स हंस कार कॉस्ट रुपीज़ 8,37,250 and you get your answer. Is it clear? Now we have another question for us. Question is, Simi won rupees 5,25,400 in a game show, rupees 2,68,750 in a quiz show, and rupees 1,50,650 in a dance competition. How much money did she win in all? Yani in all matlab all the total. How much money she won? So what we have to do? We have to add all the terms. So we will write कि in game show, first of all game show she has done. तो game show में how much money she won, that is 5,25,400. And then a quiz show में how much money she won, that is rupees 2,68,750. Next it is a dance competition. So in a dance competition how much money she won, that is rupees 1,50,650. Now you have to find out the total money she won in all. So that will be the sum of all the things. 0 plus 0 plus 0 will be 0 only. 5 plus 5 is 10. 0, carry over 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 12. 12 plus 6 18 का 8, carry over 1. 1 plus 5 6. 6 plus 8 14, carry over 1. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 6 9. 9 plus 5 14, carry over 1. 1 plus 5 6 7 8 and 9. So how much money she won in all? So you will say she won rupees 9,44,800 in all. Is it clear? I hope this video will definitely help you a lot in understanding the chapter, the questions of your exercise. Still you have some doubt, then you all can contact your teacher, Miss Sakshi, or whomsoever you are connected with. So good luck, stay safe and be happy. Goodbye.